In a legal case concerning seamen dismissed from their position on the vessel MT Lady Helen, the Supreme Court reviewed the decision from various judicial bodies regarding the termination's validity. Jose I. Iligan Jr. and Constantino Co. Jr., along with 19 other Filipino seamen, were dismissed by their employer, NFD, or International Manning Agency, NFD, on February 11, 1997, for alleged immunity, insubordination, and desertion. They were repatriated to the Philippines by February 15, 1997. NFD filed a disciplinary complaint against them, which the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, or POEA, dismissed in 1999. The seamen then filed a complaint for wrongful dismissal and damages against NFD and its foreign principal, AS Vulkanis Oslo. The National Labor Relations Commission, or NLRC, initially sided with the seamen in 2001, awarding them wages and damages. However, this decision was overturned in 2002. The original dismissal was reinstated. The seamen appealed to the Court of Appeals, or CA, which reinstated the NLRC's 2001 decision in the favor of seamen in 2004, finding their dismissal was not justified and lacked proper evidence and due process. The key issue was whether the seamen dismissal met the legal requirements of a valid termination. For a dismissal to be valid, it must be based on a just cause and comply with due process. The court found that the evidence provided by NFD was insufficient and did not support the claims of immunity and other charges. Additionally, the seamen were not given proper notice or an opportunity to defend themselves before their dismissal, violating the requirement for due process. Ultimately, the Supreme Court agreed with the CA that dismissal was not legally justified and reinstated the NLRC's 2001 decision, which required the employers to pay the seamen their due wages, damages, and attorney's fees.